today's video, you'll probably notice something you haven't seen in my other videos before. You'll notice I'm standing in front of a motorcycle. And what I've done is I've finally added a motorcycle to my garage for some more exploration. This is the fourth motorcycle I've owned. It is the KL650. Now, the KL650 was first manufactured in 1987, which makes it almost 40 years old now. And very little has changed since that first bike came out. Still the same engine. A little bit on the frame has changed. But what that means is that while it's no frills bike, it is a very dependable bike. The reason I bought it is because I want to do some exploration on some roads that aren't necessarily paved. This will do some double track definitely, and can do some single track, although I will probably not be doing any single track with it. This is a 652cc engine. I believe it does 40 horsepower at 5,900 RPM, so very low RPMs. It does not really get into high RPMs, which means it's a very dependable, very long-lasting bike. A lot of people call it the tractor because while it's not going to go fast, it is certainly going to get you where you need to go, whether it's up a steep hill, through sand, or through mud. One of the reasons I really like it is because it's been around for so long. It's a tried and true design, and it is versatile. Some people have said it does several different things, but it doesn't do any one thing amazing. That may be true, but I mean, it is a dependable workhorse, and it will definitely get you from point A to point B. The other reason why I got it is because it has a lot of aftermarket customizations that are very inexpensive. A lot of people own this bike. So they say if you go to a adventure rally, you can't throw a rock without hitting a KLR owner, or at the very least, somebody that has owned one in the past. So tell me, have you owned one of these in the past? What are your thoughts on it? Did you like it? Did you hate it? If you traded from it, what did you go to? And will you ever go back? And if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I love to hear your comments. So until the next time, this is Steve, your everyday guy, and I'll catch you on the next video.